Guys, do you end up finding that your dogs are always scratching themselves? Maybe they're always chewing on their paws. Or you need to make sure you're bringing them the right vitamins. And PetLab Co has some allergy immune probiotic chews for your dogs. This is going to be great, guys, depending on your breeds. It's going to give you some nice, healthy supplements that can help you make sure your dogs get all the nutrition you need so that way they can avoid having those allergies. It's going to help boost their immune system. So if you guys want to grab it up, I'll actually put the link down there for you. I give this to my dogs, and this really has helped her make sure that all her hair stays nice and clean, her skin stays nice and comfortable. And again, you guys can grab this up. I'll put the link at the bottom for you. They're on a great sale for you right now.